boom, it is literally 2020. I see that little red record button, and Trevor, that means you're live. Hello world, what is up guys? Welcome back to today's video, or should I say tonight's video. First of all, can I just say it is 2020. By my hair, you might think that it is 1990s, which I am totally inspired by today. Totally my fashion. My hair, you guys, living, loving. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Here we are in 2020, and I am back, you guys. I already filmed this video last week, but when I sat down to edit it, I was like, ew, 2019, I look old, I look stale. I need to reshoot this video, bring it to life in 2020, so here we are. Today guys, I'm back to share one of my highly requested, one of my most requested videos. Honestly, I get this all the time. Trevor, are you still using Retin-a? Trevor, are you still using tretinoin? You guys know I have built my channel basically around the magnificent effects of Retin-a, of tretinoin cream. So I just wanted to sit down with you guys and update you exactly how I've been using Retin-a in my skincare routine. And I figured that my nighttime skincare routine was the perfect time to sit down with you guys, share so many new skincare products because it is 2020. Also, what do you guys think about this backdrop? I'm feeling like night vibes. We are here, we're relaxing, we're gonna pamper ourselves. You guys know your nighttime skincare routine is literally the best time to pamper yourself, take your time, really to treat your skin. And honestly, if you have an amazing nighttime skincare routine, like if you guys incorporate some of these products I am about to share with you, when you wake up in the morning, honestly, all you have to do is rinse your face with some water, put a little bit of moisturizer on, some sunscreen, and boom, you're out the door. But before we dive into my nighttime skincare routine featuring Retin-a and brand new skincare products, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit subscribe to join this ever-growing family. 2020 is going to be the year that we hit 10,000 subscribers. Honestly, I cannot thank you guys enough. All right, enough babbling, let's get right into it. Okay, so my first step in my nighttime skincare routine is obviously cleansing, because we have to wash away 2019 really to start this year fresh. Now, I'm going to be using one of my favorite face washes. I've actually mentioned this before. New year, same face wash. This is by Masquerade, and this is the Let's Face It Cleansing Stick. Now, this is an oil to foam cleanser, and inside here it contains red beet, which is actually going to help to brighten the skin. It contains pink clay, which is going to help to pull out any dirt, any oils, any excess sebum to really help balance the skin. And if you can see in here, there's actually little rose petals that are going to help to gently exfoliate the skin. Now, the reason I like to use this cleanser in particular at the end of the day is, you guys know, I'm obsessed with stick cleansers, and at the end of the day in particular, you actually just get to press the product right into those pores, you know, make sure that the cleanser gets deep in there before you start to foam it up and wash your face beautifully. Honestly, this is one of my favorite cleansers. Now, this would not be a Trevor Ritchie skincare routine if we didn't use my favorite Evian mist, just to make my face so nice and wet and ready to cleanse. I'm gonna do a little bit on the end of the cleansing stick here, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and swirl the product right onto my skin. What did you guys do for New Year's? I feel like this year people just did not do as much stuff as in the past. I don't know if it's just like a sign of the times or what, but I feel like people just don't go out anymore. Now, I'm just gonna get this nice and foamy. I mean, I stayed in, family and friends, that's where it's at. Ooh, look, can you guys see the little bits of rose petals here? Okay, so let me wash this cleanser off. I'll be right back. All right, guys, my skin is cleansed. I wish you could feel it. It feels so good. There is nothing like a cleansed skin. Now, I did want to quickly mention, if you guys remember from my morning skincare routine, I've been loving, literally loving, the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Cleanser. Now, the reason I don't like to use this at the end of the day, especially when I'm going to be using a tretinoin cream or a Retin-a cream, is because this gently exfoliates the skin. I don't want to mix it with my Retin-a and make my skin any more sensitive or irritated, so that's why I choose the Masquerade Cleansing Stick at the end of the day, the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Cleanser. What a mouthful in the mornings. Now, I do need a little bit of scent therapy before we go any further, so I'm just going to use a little bit of the Calvin Klein Obsession. Classic, literally. I thought it would match my hair today. Think like leather, sandalwood, browns, deep tones, very masculine smelling, and it is perfect for the end of the day before bed. It makes the whole bed smell so delicious. such a relaxing fragrance. Alright, so next up is actually a brand new product that I've only been using for a couple of days, but I have heard so much about it. This is the Mugwort Essence from I'm From. Now, this is a single ingredient toner, of course, from I'm From. The only thing that's in here is mugwort. That's going to be very nourishing, very hydrating, very calming to the skin. So when using something like a Retin-a, using a calming essence is really going to help to cool the skin, calm the skin. Mugwort in skincare is most well known for its antibacterial and antifungal, anti-inflammatory properties. It soothes and heals the skin, it nourishes the skin, helping to treat redness, psoriasis, and other skin sensitivities. Now, you guys know 2020 is no different. Whenever I use an essence or a toner, I just like to use the palm of my hand. You can use a cotton pad or a cotton ball if you like, but I just like to take the essence, to take the toner right in my hands, and apply it directly to the skin. That way you don't lose any product and you get the heat and the pressure of your hands pushing the product deep into your skin. Oh, this is so soothing and so relaxing. I love my nighttime skincare routine. I wish I could spend all day. I need a whole day skincare routine. Is that a thing? Or literally you just stay inside all day and do skincare? Is anyone with me? Okay, now next up is another classic here on my channel, which is really going to help to soothe the skin and calm the skin. Dear Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Serum. You guys know this is packed, literally packed full of sodium hyaluronate, Scintilla asiatica, which is going to help to calm the skin as well. And this serum actually helps to cool the skin. So not only is it calming the skin, but it's also going to cool the skin. Again, adding a little bit more of a protective barrier if you're someone with very sensitive skin. Again, for a tretinoin, or even if you're using a retinol, not even necessarily a Retin-a, but if you just need a little bit of a buffer, a little bit of barrier on your skin, just to prevent any inflammation, any sensitivity. If you're someone out there with very sensitive skin, before you use a Retin-a or a retinol, try adding on some skin protecting barriers like serums, moisturizers. They can actually help to alleviate the sensitivity. At this point, you could go ahead and apply your Retin-a directly on the skin. But tonight, because we're doing a little bit extra luxuriating, a little bit of extra pamperation, I'm going to go ahead and do a face mask. I'm also going to whiten my teeth before we go ahead and apply the Retin-a. Now, without a doubt, I need to share this with you guys because I'm literally still shooketh to the core. This is the Raw Juice Cleanse Mask Set by ESW Beauty. Literally, I'm going to have this link down below. I haven't been this impressed by a sheet mask in a very long time. When I apply this mask, you guys, you're going to see, literally, they fit like a second skin. Congratulations, ESW Beauty, on your amazing fit of your face mask. I don't think I've ever had a face mask fit my skin so beautifully. Now, ESW Beauty is full of clean ingredients, it's vegan, it's organic, it's cruelty-free, and of course they are eco-friendly. Inside are 5 different face masks. They're in these little packages. They are literally so cute. Okay, so before I go ahead and put on the face mask, I did want to talk about something that I get asked all the time, and that is, Trevor, how do you get your teeth so white? In 2020, you guys, I have found the perfect teeth whitening system. Now, you may have seen our beautiful, humble queen, Kim Kardashian, use this before. You guys, I need to tell you about Hi Smile. Now, I'm sure you guys have seen this on the internet. Hi Smile is the teeth whitening system that has a little blue light. It has a little tray here, and what you do is you just take some of the Hi Smile formula, peroxide free, love it, amazing, does not make my teeth sensitive at all. You just apply a little bit in the tray, pop the device right in your mouth for 10 minutes. Literally 10 minutes. Crest White Strips, an hour. Hi Smile, 10 minutes. You get 3 tubes of products, which equal 6 applications, 6 days, 10 minutes a day. Literally so quick, so easy, and my teeth have never, ever been this white. Even my teeth in the back are white. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is get my Hi Smile ready. I'm gonna apply the gel to the trays. Then I'm gonna have it set. I'm gonna put on my Raw Juice Cleanse face mask. This lasts 10 minutes. The face mask is on for 10 minutes. They are literally a match made in heaven. Smooth skin, hydrated skin, and white teeth. Now, everything on the applicator is marked, so it is very simple to apply the gel into the tray. Literally that easy. Because we're using Retin-A, I'm going to use the Watermelon, Rosewater, and Grapefruit, the Pink Dream Moisturizing Mask. Now, wait until I get this on the skin. You guys are going to be rolling over in your grave. You're going to die, literally just to roll over in your grave, when you see how amazing this face mask fits my skin. All right, are you guys ready? Here we go. I cannot even. Nighttime is the best time to just really enjoy. Take your time, pamper yourself. It's just us. We're hanging out tonight. Oh, I'm upside down. What do you guys do when you watch my videos? Do you clean? Do you hang out? Do you do skincare along with me? Also, you guys, let me know what other YouTubers you watch who talk about skincare. If you're someone out there who does YouTube and does skincare, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to talk to you. I would love to, you know, build our community. So here we go. I'm not even going to use a mirror. That is a true test for this face mask. I mean, hello, Georgia. Is that even a saying? Did I just make that up? But this face mask, literally no mirror required or anything. Are you dying yet? Are you gagging? I mean, hello? Literally, can you guys see this? Oh my goodness. Honestly, best fitting face mask of all of 2019, 2018, literally until now. Okay, so I need to go ahead and put in my High Smile, work on these pearly whites. I'm not going to be able to talk to you guys for 10 minutes, so I'm going to set a timer, put in my High Smile, let this penetrate my skin. I'll meet you guys on the other side with beautiful skin and white teeth. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and I took my High Smile off camera. That part is not so glamorous. There's a little bit of spitting action, but you know what? For the white teeth, it is worth it. You guys, can you see? Ding! Now that my teeth are sparkling, 2020 fresh, I want to go ahead. The face mask has left my skin definitely more plump. It feels very cool, very calm. Honestly, ready to go to bed. So let's move right along. Okay, so we've reached the climax of today's video and what you guys ask me the most, and that is, Trevor, are you still using Retin-A Tretinoin Cream Steva A? And the answer is yes. Now, you guys know, like I said, I documented my entire journey using a Retin-A. Literally, you guys saw my face peel, dry, fall off. You guys basically saw my skin at its very worst, but what's cool is that you also get to see it transform into the skin that I have today. You guys know that the benefits of Retin-A literally are endless. Everything from helping to clear acne scars, controlling oil on your skin, giving you a smoother skin texture, refining pores, making them appear smaller, helps the cells of your skin turn over faster. Now, typically you have about 30 days until those cells really turn over, revealing younger skin. But when you're using a Retin-A or a tretinoin cream, it can speed up cell turnover to 15 days. So literally every 15 days you have younger looking skin, thicker skin, fuller skin. Of course, Retin-A stimulates elastin, collagen production, so it basically is a skin saver. Now, when I was using Retin-A 7 days a week, I know to some of you that sounds absolutely crazy, because if you have sensitive skin, I do not recommend using a Retin-A 7 days a week. But after that first year of full skin transformation, I started to use Retin-A as more of a maintenance procedure. Using it only once a week started to work for me just to maintain my benefits. My entire goal with skincare in 2019 was really to take my skin to the place that I wanted it to be. So moving into 2020, I can work into more maintenance and give my skin a break from all of those treatments, all of those creams. So for my Retin-A treatment tonight, I'm going to be mixing my Retin-A in with my Origins Drink Up Intense Overnight Face Mask. And if you haven't tried this before, honestly, pause this video, click the link down below, buy it. You will thank me. Out of all the overnight face masks I have ever used, this is hands down the best face mask, maybe of all time. Honestly, the best overnight face mask I've ever tried. So if you're someone out there with very sensitive skin, one of the ways that you can decrease irritation or your chances of skin irritation is by mixing your Retin-A or even your retinols with additional moisturizer. So that's what I'm going to do tonight. I'm going to take a little bit of the Origins Overnight Mask. I am going to use a little bit more of the Overnight Mask than the Retin-A itself. I'm just going to add a little, just about a pea size amount there. I don't want you guys to go wild in the comments down below. Every time I use too much Retin-A, you guys literally sound off, and I love it. But I'm just going to mix these together and apply it all over the skin. Now, tonight's routine was all about hydration and cooling, calming skincare ingredients. Because the superstar of tonight's skincare routine is that tretinoin cream, you really want to let that do the most of its work. Spread this all over the skin, creating a really nice barrier. All right. I mean, you guys, the proof is literally in the pudding. I don't think that I love anything else, more than I love Retin-A. All right, now mixing these two creams is really going to cut down on any irritation that I may experience. Even though I've been using Retin-A for almost 2 years now, every time I use it, I still experience a little bit of dry skin. Now, when I use it more consistently, my skin does retinize a little bit better, but honestly, I get dry skin almost every time I use it. But that's one of the beautiful benefits of Retin-A, is that it's helping you shed that old, dead, dull skin. If you go back to that original video when I first started, which I'm not recommending you do because I don't want you to watch all those old videos because they're so embarrassing. But if you go all the way back there, you can definitely see that my skin has transformed. Oh, and I almost forgot one of the most exciting things that I needed to tell you guys about in tonight's video. You guys know, if you've been following me since the very beginning, one of my biggest tips and tricks is after you have your entire nighttime skincare routine, your pillowcase can be a culprit for acne, bacteria, really ruining all the work that you just did. Now, you guys know I have an obsession with changing my pillowcase every couple of days because of all the bacteria in your hair, getting on your skin, causing zits, pimples, acne. That's a culprit that people often don't think about. But you guys, I found the Sylvan Anti-Acne Pillowcase. The coolest part of this pillowcase is it is a cotton pillowcase that is woven with natural silver fibers. If you're someone like me who is literally traumatized by the thought of bacteria on your pillowcase, you guys, this is amazing. Silver carries a naturally positive charge and bacteria carries a naturally negative charge. These opposing charges are what make bacteria attracted to each other. Now, I've been using this pillowcase for about 2 weeks at this point. I've still continued to wash it every 3 days. Honestly, just because I'm a little bit of a neurotic person, but the silver in the pillowcase helps to attract the bacteria, the dirt, the oil, all of those acne causing things. It harbors it all in the pillowcase, and then when you wash it, it's gone. Honestly, I haven't had a single pimple, blemish, or zit since I started using this pillowcase, so I don't know what kind of magic is going on here, but this Sylvan pillowcase, I'll have it linked down below. Amazing. All right, guys, I guess that concludes my first skincare routine of 2020. I'm literally shook. My teeth are so white. My skin feels so flawless and so luminous. I'm so glad that we sat down tonight and caught up. You guys, 2020 is literally going to be our year. I can feel it. 2019, I don't know her anymore. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you use Retin-A or you want any more videos about tretinoin cream, Retin-A tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments down below. Anything, let me know. And if you made it to the end of today's video, you know that Romeo and I love and appreciate you so much. Thanks for sticking around until the very end. Happy New Year, happy 2020. I hope this is your year. Chase your dreams, chase everything you ever wanted. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.